Welcome back, friends. So as in the previous section we see about the string formatting using format specifier and format method. So now we will see about the f string and the template class in the string module to format the string. So firstly we will see about the f string. So I'm making a, you can say that, object of for HTR variable, and passing the same string. My name is, here I have to pass the variable name. Please be clear that f is required to be here, and sorry, it should be likewise. Okay, my name is this. I am of is years old. Okay, so if you print the str0, you will be able to see the formatted string with the f string where it is new, and if your machine is come with the 3.6, or you have installed the Python 3.6 or above, then and then only you can use this method, otherwise it will throw error. So firstly you need to verify that which Python version are you using. Yes, you can verify that by running python space dash capital V. So it is more likely as in the Akamai script or in the Java script we are format the string, but yeah, there is no any necessity to put the f, but it is something like that. Now there is another way to format the string in the Python, that is the template class in the from string package import template class. Okay, so now I'm making a object of template class by passing a string to the constructor of template. My name is $name. I am of years old. Okay, and here is. Now we have to substitute this template likewise, or yes, name and is equal to age. If we will run, we will be able to see, sorry, yeah, I have to print str1. yeah, as you are able to see here that the name is replacing $name, and here we are assigning name to the variable name. Okay, so it has replaced. There is another way to do the same work by specifying a data dictionary. So you can make a data dictionary, likewise name, and here name and age, sorry, yeah, age and age. So here name will replace the name and age will replace the 22. Now if you are doing the same, I'm just doing the same thing without putting it in any variable, substitute, and here I am passing the data. So instead of passing it one by one, I'm just passing a data dictionary, and it will return the same thing as here in the str1. So if I run it once, so you are able to see that the exact value is displayed once again. I hope that you has got it, that how I has taught to you. If it is helpful for you, so please do subscribe the channel. Thank you for watching it. Happy coding.